this is how to install Google Ads scripts. I'm assuming that you've got the script on your clipboard. Obviously, it doesn't matter where the scripts come from, but you've copied it, and then this is the next bit. In Google Ads, you're going to go to Tools. It's under Bulk Actions, and then Scripts. And then you're going to click the plus button and New Script. And then once this loads, I would give it a name first, and then when it comes to authorizing the script, it'll sort of include the name in the authorization. So I'm going to say, I don't know, some script, and then you're going to overwrite all of this. So just paste it in your script, and then don't click override yet because it might not work. You might have to do it again. Click preview first, and then in previewing, it's going to read the script to see what it specifically needs to authorize against. Now you can click authorize. And note that you might need to scroll down. This sometimes gets hidden. So now you can click authorize. And then we're going to go blah, 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 blah. And you may need to select these. Sometimes they're already selected. It kind of depends. I don't know what on. And then you go, it's authorized. And now you can preview. You can click preview, and there you go. It's working. You're pretty much done. Now, what you can also do as well as previewing is you can click run. Now, what run will do is it will actually make changes to the account, and it will usually also run faster. Preview will do everything else, so including updating any sheets, grabbing information, but it won't make changes to the accounts. All it will do is it will say, these are the changes that I would have made. The only other note I will give you before I leave you is back in scripts, you can set a frequency, and this is just a schedule. So you can say, I want it to run every day at noon, whatever. And obviously that will then run every day at noon. And this is what makes scripts really powerful, because obviously you can say, well, every Monday morning I'm going to check search terms. So you'll run a script that works with search terms Monday morning. You can also have them run hourly, and certain scripts will sort of pick up where they left off, so you can sort of keep them running all the time or whatever. And then once you click run and they run, which you can also do here, then they'll be in the script history. And if you don't see it in here, it's usually because you need to change the date range. So if it ran today, you might need to just click today and look at today's runs. And that's the long and short of it.